Well, we had this really cool distant fog bank when I woke up that has gotten closer and closer as we approach the latest sunrise of the year at 8 o'clock. And I just want to get above this fog bank and see the sunrise because I feel like we're going to be in the fog here probably within the next 10-15 minutes the way this has been creeping. So I'm glad I took the shot earlier that looked like a mountain rise, but hopefully we get a cool sunrise here. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Wow. See the reflection off the downtown buildings. That's cool. It's like we were the only place not fogged in. Yeah, there's our little strip on Mount Moon. You can actually see the Weather Service radar reflecting the early sunlight. That's cool. Have a good day, everybody.